Hello world, my name is Ronak Patel and I am excited to present my final project for CS50, Trigonometric function. Alright folks, buckle up because we are about to dive into the world of triangles and trigonometry. Trust me, it's going to be as thrilling as debugging code at 2 am just with less coffee. So, what's the plan? We will create a Python program that asks for the base and the height of a triangle. Simple enough, right? But here's where it gets interesting. The program will calculate and display all six essential trigonometric ratios in terminal: sine, cosine, tangent, sec, cosec, and cot. You know how they say math is everywhere? Well, these trigonometric ratios are the six Avengers of triangle world, each one playing its part in saving the day. Instead of fighting Thanos, they are helping you understand the angle. And because we like to go on extra mile, the program won't just display these ratios in the terminal. It will also generate a PNG image to visualize the triangle, and it's like an art project but for maths nerds. Of course, we are adding robust error handling because we all have been there when code. Of course, we are adding robust error handling because we have all been there when code crashes just because we forgot to check if input was a number. With this program, even your grandma could figure out how tall that triangle is. And finally, output will be so clear that even your cat could understand it. Oh, okay. Okay, maybe not your cat, but definitely your non-tech savvy friend or persona. This was CS50.